las alitas de pollo, los pollos crujientes que quieres poner en la salsa. Esas son las alitas de pollo, ¿ves? Muy finas, pequeñas así. No quieres las piernas porque tardan más en cocinar. Eso es el máximo que quieres, ¿eh? Pequeños trozos. Lo vamos a marinar con una cucharada y medio del vino de arroz chino. Esto lo tienes en tu armario. 2 cucharadas más o menos de salsa de soja ligera. ¿Ves? Pone light. Eso es ligera. No la oscura porque es mucho más fuerte. Un par de cucharadas de esto. Un medio o cucharada entera del caldo de pollo, concentrada de pollo. Un poco de pimienta blanca si tienes, y si no, pimienta negra, o lo puedes olvidar. Y luego yo he aplastado un poco cebolla. Normalmente se utiliza cebolleta china, pero no tengo cebolleta china hoy, entonces he utilizado un poco de cebolla blanca. Le he aplastado un poco, nada más, ¿eh? El rojo que ves es polvo de chile que estaba en el bol, que no nos viene nada mal. Entonces mezclar todo esto juntos y dejarlo un par de horas por lo menos antes de la próxima fase, que es justo antes de comer. Cubrirles con maicena, sacarles de ahí, cubrirles bien con maicena y ponerles directamente en el aceite caliente, que yo voy a utilizar la freidora, que hoy ves que tenemos una freidora nueva ahí para esto. Aquí ves que he mezclado todos los ingredientes en el bol y le voy a dejar reposar un par de horas, ¿vale?
So now I'm ready to fry up the chicken. I've coated it in about another 3 tablespoons of cornstarch for about 1 kilo and a bit of chicken, 1 kilo and 100 grams of chicken. Got 3 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, about 4 garlic cloves of garlic, and about 1 really hot red chili, okay, with a few seeds, not too many seeds, to give it some spice. And I might add some Szechuan chili sauce that I made earlier, just to give it a bit of that lovely Szechuan numbness. On to cooking. This is the color you want on the first fry. Here's the chicken. Got a timer on for about 2 minutes in total. You want to give it a turn at around 1 minute 30 just to get the other side.
Esto es la segunda fritura del pollo a una temperatura más alta, el máximo. Lo voy a dejar 1 minuto más o menos para que se crispa realmente bien. Hay que esperar que las burbujas paren, porque las burbujas señalan agua en la piel del pollo. Entonces, cuando las burbujas se calman un poco, entonces el pollo está listo.
This filming with one hand, not ideal, but there you go. Garlic, chili, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, sugar. Oil not too hot. Fry that up lightly. Right, now I'm going to put in the chili. Right, stir in the chili. I like it spicy, of course. You don't have to put any in. The original recipe can have it. Singaporean, they like their spice. Or Chinese. Most Singaporean food has Chinese influence. That's frying nicely, not too much. It's on a low heat, but my induction's very, very strong. Now I'm going to put in the hoisin sauce. Soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons. Well, I put in 3 tablespoons of each for about 1 kilo of chicken, but I like a lot of sauce. You can never have too much of this, and it keeps well in the fridge. Nice airtight container. Lovely aroma of the garlic and the chili mixing with the hoisin and the soy. And then the last thing to bring it to nice caramelization is the brown sugar. I'm going to fry that up lightly. You can see it's just frying down. Can put it on a slightly higher heat, which I will do. A bit more heat. And you want this to just kind of reduce down till it coats the back of a spoon with sheer stickiness. It's becoming nice and treacly. You don't want to reduce it down too much. You just want a lovely sticky sauce which has been cooked through. Get it bubbling all the way through. Let that garlic and chili work all the way through the sauce. I reckon that's about done. Perfect. The way you can test, if you coat the back of a spoon with it, nice and sticky. Perfect. Sauce done. Serve up. So I've put some wasabi flavored green sesame seeds and normal sesame seeds in the hoisin sauce. If you want your chicken wings nice and sticky, then you just leave the sauce in the pan, put in the chicken wings and toss it. But of course it becomes soggy after a while, so unless you're going to eat it immediately, it's probably best to do what I'm doing, which is leave the chicken wings nice and crispy and dip them in the sauce as you go. Much more fun to play with your food, of course, with your fingers. And I think it's really cruel when people, the chefs in these cooking videos, make you watch them eat the food. So I'm not going to quite do that, but I'm definitely going to make you listen to me, because you need to hear the crunch of this chicken for your own health and benefit. Here you go. Oh my gosh. Here we go, folks. It's going in the old tosh. Oh my God. That is insanely good. Oh, I'm so sorry to do this to you, but you just have to cook this at home now. You've got no choice but to try this at home. Bon appetit. Hasta pronto.